Understanding the essence of a spiritual community. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting and enriching topic: spiritual communities. Whether you're new to the concept or seeking to deepen your understanding, this video is for you. We'll explore what a spiritual community is, its significance, and the roles it plays in individuals' lives. So, let's embark on this journey together and uncover the essence of spiritual communities. A spiritual community refers to a group of individuals who share common spiritual beliefs, practices, and values. These communities are not limited by geographical boundaries and can vary greatly in size. From small groups meeting in local spaces to large, global networks connected through the internet. The core idea is to foster a sense of belonging, support, and growth among members on their spiritual journeys. In a spiritual community, people come together to practice, learn, and experience spirituality in a collective setting, which can amplify their personal development and understanding. Spiritual communities play a crucial role in the lives of their members by providing support, guidance, and a sense of belonging. They offer a safe space for individuals to explore their beliefs, ask questions, and share experiences without judgment. This communal aspect enhances personal growth, emotional healing, and spiritual development. Moreover, being part of a spiritual community can help individuals feel connected to something larger than themselves, which can be especially comforting during challenging times. There are many different types of spiritual communities, each with its unique focus and practices. Some are based on specific religious traditions, like Buddhism, Christianity, or Islam, while others may be more eclectic, drawing on a variety of spiritual or philosophical teachings. Interfaith communities bring together people from different religious backgrounds to promote mutual understanding and respect. Meanwhile, online spiritual communities have emerged as powerful platforms for connecting people across the globe, allowing for the exchange of spiritual insights and support beyond physical boundaries. Engaging with a spiritual community can take various forms, from attending services and participating in group meditation, to volunteering and taking part in discussion groups. It's important to find a community that aligns with your values and beliefs and where you feel comfortable to express yourself and grow. Remember, the goal is to enrich your spiritual journey and connect with others who are on similar paths. Being an active member of a spiritual community can lead to profound personal transformation and a deeper sense of fulfillment. We hope this exploration of spiritual communities has opened your eyes to their value and diversity. Whether you're seeking support, guidance, or connection, a spiritual community can offer a welcoming space to deepen your spiritual journey. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, keep seeking, learning, and growing.